Make sure you're logged into TechZenik.com. Select your age. Click Start Coding, JavaScript, and here you can follow along with all our examples and code along with us. Hey everyone, Paul from TechZenik here, and in this lesson we will be learning about conditional statements, or better known as if statements. If statements are used to check a condition, and if that condition returns true, we run a block of code. To do this, we write the word if, brackets, and curly brackets. Inside the brackets, we check a condition. If it runs true, we execute the block of code. In this example, I'm going to check if x is a positive number. So inside my brackets, I'm going to check if x is greater than 0. And if it is, I'm going to console log x is a positive number. I'm going to run my code. Since x is 10, we get x is a positive number. Now, if you want to check for more conditions, what we can write is an else if, followed by parentheses again, and curly brackets. Just like our if statement, we check if the brackets, the code inside the brackets return true, and if it does, we run our block of code. So in this else if statement, I'm going to check if x is less than 0, so if x is a negative number, I'm going to return a console log that says x is a negative number. For this example, I'm going to set x to -5. And if I clear my console and run my code again, we get x is a negative number. Now, we can add as many else if statements as we want. But sometimes there are conditions that never get met, but we want to execute another block of code. To do this, we write an else. So if none of the else ifs or if statements are met, the else will run in the end. So in this case, I'm going to console log x is not a number. So if it's neither a positive or negative number, we'll run this. For this example, I'm going to set x is equal to the string age. Now if I clear my console and run my code, we get x is not a number, because it first checks if x is greater than 0. It's not, since it's a string. Then it checks if x is less than 0. Same thing, x is now a string, so it can't be less than 0. And finally, after all our else if and if statements are checked, we run our else. Thank you for listening. See you guys in the next lesson.